Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be redoing the top on this table. This is a log that we had got out of the creek after a big storm had come through. And the log was a little wetter than I thought it was, so we're going to take the top of this table off and plane it down smooth. The boards are kind of warped a little bit. So we'll take the top off and plane it down smooth and put it back on and see if it looks any better. Got some cracking and stuff in them there, which is fine. But it'd be nice if the boards are actually flat. So let's get these boards off of here. Now I'll run them through the planer and see how they come out. Okay, now we have all the screws out. You shouldn't have to worry about them anymore. Okay, let's move back to the planer and we'll try this again.